Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to backup chat history online. So here I'll be teaching you how to backup your chat history online. To backup your chat history online, all we need to do is open up our lineup. So once you open up our lineup, press on settings on the top right corner right here. There you go, as you see right there. Press on that. Then all we need to do right here, right now, is to just press on backup and restore chat history right here. Once you do that, all you need to do is click on backup now. So here now we're gonna enter a six. We're gonna set your our 6-digit pin, and we're gonna confirm it. So I'm gonna pause the video so you won't see my 6-digit pin. So I'll be right back when I've already input it. So see you guys in a few seconds. As you can see, now we're back. Now all we need to do is press on the green icon right here to enter it. There you go. Now select account. As you can see, once we click on select account, allow line to access your contacts. Now we're gonna allow it. Now after we allowed it, as you can see right now, we will choose an account right here. So we're gonna choose our account right there. So after doing that, it's loading. Now you have to wait for it. Now here you go. As you can see right now, we are just here at our Google. We're gonna sign in. We're gonna click on continue. It's gonna connect to our drive right here. There you go. As you can see, our email has now been right here, and we're just gonna click on start backup. So now it's backupping our chat history and being saved to the cloud. There you go. As you can see, now we have a backup of it. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. You see, we can transfer. Now we're gonna close that. As you can see, now we have our background right here. So as you can see right now, we can see backup now. You can just press on backup now. We have the backup how often we have it every week. We can change it to right here, change to every day, every 3 days, or every month right here. So depending on us. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you enable backup history and lineup. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you can type it in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.